this matter, it don't finally reach our table. However, welcome back to Officer Justice Day. So today na Justice Day, and we're here today to talk about very important issue wey dey happen now as it dey hot. As it don't reach our table now, I will say we must talk about am. This place where they call Amusement Park, abi they call am Dream World for inside Owerri. No be small thing o. They say that one girl don't carry matter come. The girl say him go that place. Please, I want my village community to listen very well for this matter why they bring come aside, because now we go judge her. Now we go judge her. So as him bring the matter come aside now, come tell us say we see wetin dey happen for inside the village community at this place where they call Dream World for inside Owerri. He say in phone when carry go there, Sakpa come collect am. In watch, and the phone where they talk about no be phone small phone o, na big phone. iPhone 14 Pro Max, iPhone. Now I say wetin dey happen. They say one of the people where they work inside that place, now then kolobi the phone enter inside backyard. Now so the phone take disappear. The girl never even start the drive. You know, say that's where they fly now. He never even start though. I say they kolobi the phone. So the matter don't reach our office today. Now we say we'll bring her come outside. This girl where they watch for here. Now they talk about the picture there here already. So I'll play the video, may you watch. May you use in math explain, but this information they come from the office of our bride where they call us Nkwa. Things they happen. But however, we go judge them. Yes, we will judge it today. Watch the video. Then we'll come back. Come know waiting our village community police will talk put for inside this matter. Because the matter don't reach for Officer Justice Day. He go get justice. The world must know wetin they go on, so that these people need to wake up to do something. Yes, we'll watch the video before we come back. Come continue.
Adema biko ụmụnne m ndị Igbo ejim n'aka na ebe onye nọ ugbu a na ọ na-enweta onwe ya. O nwere ihe merenụ dị mkpa n'ụwa niile nụrụ ya, maka na asị na agbụ ọrịa oshi ala. O nwere ihe mere na Dreamland Amusement Park, Dream World Amusement Park nọ n'Akachi Aba Road na steeti Imo here. So something terrible happened, and the cabbage ka na-ele ma enwere ike ime ma ndị ahụ ga-eme ihe ha kwesịrị ime, so that ụwa niile hapụ ịbịa hụwa ike ha na ihe nderi anya. But achọpụtara na ha achọghị ime exactly ihe ha kwesịrị ime. So we will grant interview to one of the victims of ihe na-eme ebe a, because ha ma na o nwere ihe ndị ọzọ na-eme ebe a, mana nke a na-agbagwoju anya. So nwanne anyị nwaanyị na ebe a nwere ike jiri asụsụ bekee ma ọ jirikwa asụsụ Igbo nke ọbụla ga-adị ya mma ọ ga-eji. Nne kedu? Ị ga-ekwuchite okwu ike. Ọgwa anyị aha gị?
Aha m bụ Jasmine Chamaka.
Okay. Gịnị mere na Dream World ahụ?
On 21st of January, Sunday, I got a Dream World Amusement Park game. So ka anyị rutere ebe ahụ, anyị ahụ two of their colleagues no there, their workers no there, because ị ga-ịgba the game, ị ga-ebu ụzọ tinye ego na your card before gị ga-agba the game, and card na-aka gị ja pass gị. So anyị rutezi ebe ahụ, two of the workers eme anyị attend. Nara anyị the card anyị. Sizi anyị na anyị do, because ị ga-ịgba the game, ị ga-enye ha your belongings, your bags and everything. So inside my bag, my phones were inside. iPhone 14 Pro, 12 Pro, and Samsung Galaxy A24 with my sister's own, but 8 yeah.
So how many phones?
That's involved? 4 phones.
4 phones are involved.
With khaki and ATM. So I rute Zebahu. the boy asị anyị na you already things hand over to colleague ya cause. So anyị were ihe niile hand over to the boy. Then anyị abanyekwa n'ige gba the game. Because na game ahụ ị ga-eyipushi ma slippers gị ma wig gị na ihe gị niile. So a ga-etinye gị seat belt so that ị hapụ ịta. Because all space travel. So anyị eduruchazie then ha abụọ na-akpazi nkata. Ma jụọ ya si ọ ga-ele ihe na-eme ya sị na achọrọ ime top up na ego anụ si na n'ime the card. So jụọ ya olu otu a ga-esi eme the top up ya jụọ ma na-eme transfer. Si ya jụọ ya ele akaụntụ ga-eme the transfer. So ya jụọ enyi ya nwoke ka ọzọ colleague ya si ya may she do the transfer for the account. So ka ha na-ekwuzi ya ọbịa chisi him don observe ọ dịka onye na supervise ihe gbasara ego there no around there. So ha say him don observe the movement there. So ma bịa jụọ ya si ele him make yosin that na in fact na m ga mee top up m si ele the nearest place me top up yosin no inside m si okay onye ka ọzọ yi boot shirt ajụọ m si na nye ya ka ọzọ ka ọ ga mee the top up. So me nye ya my ATM card and everything and card because see that na you may 5,000 because 5,000 when you from me the card your jump in ma wear the pin. So when you cause na hurry kwa ni say do over the game. So you do chayo to the seat belt. The game was about to start because before then the boy the week me parade the round. So ofio be me to ma see my bag lazy anya hu say bag drop on my leg. Jose that boy say elebe your colleague. Just that no man him say na ya work seat belt that. No near waste time. Mjize force. Uzena the seat belt. Gawazi Akachi Johnson gave to the boy. Garuze Baha home. I'm going to say 3 girls who Otaga from the center. Joe has one boy on brown t-shirt. Has the boy also for now. But the also but the boy have on bike and on back on bus. I'm say okay. Garuze Baha. I'm going to say because stage here around after 8. Saya bia tse mu sisi security ahụ na ha legide moto ahụ na ha ikokolo onye ọbụla buru moto ahụ because he ji car key and everything for. So ha nze dia he create was awareness gaze n'ime the park. Ndoroze the other boy said that no go provide to the dia. You deny was say o man the boy that's no man onye owo that he doesn't know what we are talking about. I ga call attention of the management. The management are saying that na I come out down. That's na CCTV no ya that's na ga hu with the already for no a small issue na come down. So I pushize nga no ze na eche the management ha ba ga ha pụta. So ha say that na ga bagale the CCTV. All of a sudden he change your mind ya see that na ya ga le the CCTV unless my akporo onye nu na uniform. I say okay, one of our friends say huru him again aga rush ze ga put in the barracks in the army. Peruteze na gate ha gbashie gate see that na ndị amị ahụ aga abata. Anyị asị that na kwa see that na ịkpọta onye uniform ọ ga-ekwe anyị ga lele CCTV. Ndị amị ahụ megidezi nga ahụ werezi iwe lawazi ha agbachiezi si anyị ga-eso ha with police ha aga. Anyị asị that na anyị achọghị iso police ha na anyị chọrọ ịlawa ji aka anyị ga report all the case na anyị achọ ka ha nye anyị police ke ha ajụ ka a na-eme ihe na ndị police anụrụ nwansa ekwucha ihe akwụ bịa kụwazi anyị ihe kwụbazi anyị media. Ha kpọrọ polisi ma mebe achịpụta polisi kụrụzi anyị kwụba anyị na disiana even slippers my guy furu there with my some of my belongings like my charger ihe ndị m ji n'aka and my handbag fichara there ga ha na-akwụbaga mmadụ na the moto. Anyị eruzi ebe ahụ the controller saying that na elota gisha akpọta suspect without complainant. I am there for over 1 hour for them to bring that suspect out.
By what time?
This was around after 11.
In the night?
Yes. So I am saying down to the boy at his own time, even not change your life himself. Biazi, Han the name is here interview, which has a decision and everything. Sisi Naigawa. So I know I detain the boy because I say that they will detain him, this one, that one. I joke she Stacy ID Larry Baby side be attack by that night. Why Larry was after 4 because when we go oblige no transport, the boy will reach everything on our belongings, every single thing, ATM, key, nothing. So I Larry said the next day, yes, the Hannah worried the case. I transfer the case over to when police handle Gazia. Which as I got who the AC. The AC I see I see her demand there for the footage of the camera. Hana warrior. Till today, the AC I say Hana have two options. Is either has settle anyone or has organ to court. Because is either I gaga on a one table, how or settle anyone. Join a go lady to talk before secretary. Settle anyone or Haga was the court. So is that time we AC picture that thing. She would take one the footage of the camera. And she would take the footage of the camera need the AC. The last time yes, I gotta view the CCTV.
The guy.
Yes, I know the guy.
The guy actually the phone.
Yes, because even before themselves, around 4 p.m. because they played the video as at 4 p.m. to get the actual time. So that boy be before them. Okay. Be before them here. Even the other colleagues have confirmed that boy be there. Joy say, "Ego le kahabaga game. You were not 2-5. You are mechapo." All of a sudden, the boy has seen that now we came 5. So my Joy, you said you came 5, but that boy be around 4 p.m. jogging something. Case now jogging. You understand that now, and that he will not answer any question, direct question thrown to him because those people know they are well and how answer. Well, was after the policeman reviewed the whole thing. I said, don't worry, your belongings back. You've seen him, he's a suspect. All of a sudden, the hand name is saying, come today, come tomorrow. Come today, come tomorrow. Today is the case.
The Dream World Amusement Park. And there are the option of settling with your people.
Yes.
Mawaga court. So which option can I have?
They did not take anything because they're actually making us a fool. Because what is a casino? Are you using how you go and you go in the hand official there?
But that guy actually on the phone now. Is he a worker or a friend of
I don't know for them because even said we were saying that all their workers normally do stay on uniform. But that particular day, 3 of the workers were not on uniform. Okay. And when I asked one of them, I think he's a guy. The guy said that do I know how much uniform is? And can I bring out 5,000 for him to start buying uniform?
Okay. We better report all this case. Akpọrọ m onye si n'ọnwa onye nwe Dream World ahụ. Ya sị na otu esi eme ihe ahụ na ọ bụrụ na ị bịa dị a ịgba game. You nwere 2 options of drop your property. Kemgbe either na ichinyere ihe onye gị na ya so bịa sị ya jidere gị or enye any worker, not only the worker in that particular Dream World who ndị ga na-achidere ndị mmadụ property. So and I want to ask, ọ bụrụ na onye ahụ ahụghị worker ka ihe nyezi ya dị moral o ji narawazịa phone narawa other things jidewezie ruru.
The thing their policy back then when I used to go to that place to play game should be before you cross there you have to hand them over your card and that card it signifies that they follow over to pass. So and that boy was inside with that boy showing fully well that they are working together. Because before
the boy no inside.
The boy no inside.
Where only a worker of that place supposed to stay.
Yes.
Okay.
The gate demarcate the worker and us. All how I give the gates to enter. Okay. And if you enter, you are not allowed to stand around. Except in play the game, you will sit down and they will cross the
street. Which means if you are a stranger, you are not allowed.
You are not allowed within the premises. Yes. Ole gina madu biakwa no enwere ba ha na-etu. Ha ga-ejide shiri your bag and other things I get do far from them because here and turn home make hit somebody so whenever they provide the chair for them to sit down. Okay. So 2 of them were there when we came and both of them greeted us because when we first came I joined Eba and Mami. They pointed and showed us where we can meet. Okay. So all of the yes, 2 of them. So all of a sudden the court only denying that na Omaho that na we came 5. I don't understand what mean by became 5. Even after watching CCTV, you may say culture you push up. That's the best word that na the boy had better before. So yeah, a goal, mechapo. No kumuta unyo gewechi. Okay. Statement yana this is confusing and other things.
Then it is clear that guy, that guy.
Yes, that guy. Very well. Because from the way I share up, even 2 of my cards here, the overly one, the other boy one. Wow. So how about those cards there? So I wonder why OJ deny that the fact that no man who the boy because you're no man here there is no way you can say somebody that is not working there your cards to card you out. It's not possible. And him to matter self now 2 of them denying that in doing those things is because one of their, I think, is their manager they in charge of surveying the whole place for money. They are there. So I think maybe all they check you receipt of how you make payments and how many people will the game. So from the way Hasha could get in, don't notice movement. In fact, if you do transfer, all those kind of things, seem to notice that something is going on. You see that they wanted us to do transfer to their own personal account, which if at that and they state here, manage are not allowed to make transfer into an account except
the management.
Yes, account. The management account, and they are there. So that in how make it them is they all a little bit suspicious for us to do transfer to their own personal account. Because of that man who's the hands say I got me top up. The other one I see any ATM call give and top up gadget make the top up. I hear freely near the ATM because it was just 5,000 that was inside the card. You hear everything.
Alright. So the meat of the matter, they are here to respond, either to settle them or other court. Yeah. All right. Oh, they might be coming. In such cases, you can even comment on the comment section. Comment here on the comment section so that the world will also know. Now, a case of 4 foods. Foods that you go like how much?
All of those phones is approximately 2,033,000.
Okay, the 4 foods.
Yes, because the 14 Pro is 1.3.
Okay.
The iPhone 12 Pro is 480,000. Okay. The Samsung Galaxy A24 is 170,000. Okay. Then the Hot 8 that got missing is 75,000. I don't even add the valuables that went missing inside the bag. I work for it. I see her okay. If the money is too much for them, they can buy the gadgets for us back. Okay. We don't, because near it alone with the rate of $. They can buy those things back for us. Or if they feel like we are cheating them, they can give us the money like that. We even remove 33,000 to them to give us 2 million. Okay.
All right. So, Dream World Amusement Park. So that the management I don't know in Nigeria, so probably they are aware. Maybe with a business. They are aware when they try to run or get down business. You know, town. They may go to Nigeria. See, get some people here, man. Criminals. Getting criminals na company again. So, Abro ni mo Dream World Amusement Park to Sauzia Guru Yante. What is happening in the company he established in Nigeria.
Welcome back. Shebi, you don't hear them. As you don't watch this video now, he get me now with this here. To say the video, to say share them. Do not they pay money, share them. Now only just share. You no go pay anyone naira. Because some people now go they think say if they share, now be say you don't pay, you no go pay nothing. So now say I use small tell you, you understand? Just share the video. So as you don't see him, Justice Day. So this the director, the management of this Dream World, listen very, very careful. Listen. Officer Justice Day they talk because this matter where you see like this now. For your own side, you see and say na nothing. But if you say you call this girl, go find that boy. Go find that boy or settle the matter the way you go take sweet this girl. The matter no for come outside. Because this kind of thing they spoil business. This social media is so wide. Everybody for the whole world, they watch. You know what me will be officer now. I carry my family enter there. As I don't hear this in that, this I go come there, come carry my phone, give any of your work I may keep. No, nothing happen. So that's the reason why. If when they do something, before I go regulate anything, you think because business now, social media get power, and now globally. It dey for side. As we don't talk now, people will not know Dream World. From this way, they go know there. But if they want come there, now they go they look now with 2 eyes. Anything I want do now, they go they look now with 2 eyes. And like this, you know good. So the director go and make sure say when I settle with this girl so that there will be peace. in our village community. Because if this matter come outside again, our village community will go knock go for you. So now what we want to tell you today, go and make peace with this our sister, settle them in a way we go sweet everybody. Okay, my people, I saw it be. We don't talk our own put. May you still talk your own for inside comment section. Most still know waiting they happen for that side. Okay, my wonderful people, we'll see you for the next update for inside this Justice Day matter.